Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are a first year of student at University Malaysia Kelantan that prepare an assignment for basic accounting AFT 1043 that relate on the company that we choose is Animal Rider. The purpose of this assignment for get information about the business. We also do the interview with the owner to get some information to do this assignment. We are preparing of a full report for 1 month transaction of September. Firstly is introduction. As we know, accounting is also called as language of the business. This is because some companies use accounting to record the financial information. The main role of the accounting is to control business wealth, financial position, and result of the operation. The accounting also have the important thing. Firstly, planning. Planning is due to the long term and short term of entity. Secondly, control. Thirdly is do decision making. The objective of accounting. Firstly, recording. The company use recording to record the business transaction. This is because of the evidence that is necessary to the company to know that the outlet of the cash. It will easy to know that the company get profit or lost profit. Secondly is planning. The company must plan the long term and short term for the target to achieve their achievement. Thirdly is performance. The company will know performance of their financial in a year. They also will know that get a profit or lost profit. The accounting is the most thing that the company must do to know about the performance in a year. The background of the business. The company that we choose is Animal Rider. The owner of this company is Nur Shafika binti Encik Juso. She is 25 years old. Before this, she is studying in diploma in the building. She want to buy a business that relate with the children. From the zero knowledge, she tried to open her first business with less capital. She want open the business type of the business is entertainment and children's toys. First place that she target is Aeon Mall Kota Baru. This is because she think that Aeon Mall Kota Baru has many visitors from the adult and children. It will easy to target market of their business. This business will target the children. This is because the children will be interested with the animal that the company provide. After 1 year, she opened the business in the Aeon Mall Kota Baru. She decide to grow out the business in KB Mall and Kuala Lumpur. So, for now she has 20 employees that they work on her business. She already collect 1,100 of the month of the year. Excuse me. She always hope that she will always provide a new product to get her company grow out in the market.
current business recording status that run by Animal Rights is a partnership business. The business was run by 3 different owners. The owner of our assignment place was run by Nur Shafika binti Jejuso, and another 2 owners has run at other place. Partnership is a business with 2 or more owners. They share the liabilities and profits together. Partnership has 3 main categories, that is general partnership, limited partnership, and limited liability partnership. One of the benefits of partnership is the partners are able to share the load, responsibilities, and improve efficiency in managing the business. If an individual is left to run business, they may be strained and it may cause a big failure.
Today I would like to talk about action taken by our group to guide and help the business to improve a systematic recording of business transactions. Record a bookkeeping and accounting as evidence that the business is going through a financial transaction, and many causes of documents are used to make business transactions. For example, shipping order, purchase order, sales invoice, check, credit memo for customer refund, computer generated receipt, payment receipt, official cash register receipt, not performing check, and much more. Journal may be books, papers, or electronic where transactions are recorded using a double entry saving system. For example, all the journal entry, debit and credit made to cash will be transferred to the cash amount in ledger. A trial balance is provided to test for debit and credit equivalence. All account balances are extracted from the ledger and compiled in one report, so all debit and credit balance will be added. The debit amount must be the same as the credit amount to indicate account balance. When the account is up to date, the balance between debit and credit is tested and the financial statement will be prepared. The financial statements are the final product of the account system. After balancing the trial balance, all proceeds and expenses from the trial balance are recorded in the statement of profit and loss, known as income statement, to calculate net profit and loss. As it relates to the accounting equation, that is, the total assets are approximately the sum of liability and equity, which means that business transactions are running on the channel and are calculated correctly, which means asset equal liability plus equity. The owner needs to keep the company open. The owner will need to keep his or her seat out to that if any deal is made that day. For example, company Animal Rights need to record their sales when customers pay for the game service their receipts.
This is our company Animal Riders trial balance as at 30 September 2019. We get the total tally amount that is 57,860. After doing the trial balance, we will do a statement of profit and loss as at 30 September 2019. Sales of Animal Riders is 15,460. and our expenses is 9,800. So the sales minus with the expenses, we will get 5,660. That is our net profit. Company Animal Riders have 5 assets, that is furniture, animal riders, provision for depreciation of animal riders, cash and bank. So total up we will get 54,960. And also one liability, that is accrued salary. It is just 5,500.
The importance of accounting to the micro business. The point is making it easy to get a loan or to sell your business in the future. Small business need to do accounting to make easy to get loan. Banks are more confident when dealing with business owners who actually understand financial implications. Besides, your business needs to provide the most up-to-date account from the bank to evaluate whether or not the loan is approving. Among the other criteria for a loan approving is a structured and complete account. For example, among the agencies that provide loan for who want to get a loan are Mara, Tokon, and others. Next point is it helps in evaluate the performance of business. In other words, they help you understand what's going on with your business financial. Also, evaluate balance sheet and profit and loss account calculate with help used for financial statement to analyze the performance of an entity. It also helps you to gauge your business activity levels and identify things that be hidden in your business. It will help your business become better and assess the level of business for time to time. Third point is help to create budget and future project. By record account data structure properly can make it easy for business to plan budget and forecast for the next year. This is to ensure that the business is in good condition and will be benefit to the business. For example, if a business want to add a new toys for the next year, the owner can check the current budget to determine the financial position for the business does not limit the annual budget. So, it can help to create budget and future project in your business. Next point is to identify and avoid deviation. It easily happens if no control of money out. It happens because the company no record the company activity, especially about money. So, the owner need to keep all the document financial to make sure no deviation in company. Lastly, it's easy to make decision making process in the business. All the financial documents can help the business to make decision and to take action when it necessary. By recording account data, owner can make decision in a business to make sure it the best decision can help the business in the future.
Next, suggestion to the micro business of how and what to do to have a systematic recording of business transaction and final account. The first suggestion to the micro business is record all the transactions at one book. The organization will be more efficient when the track take a note what to do and what has been done. The record can measure the in terms of money and affect the financial position or operational of the business entity. As example, record the debt, equipment, stock, sale as a reference for the business account. Next, the business should keep all the invoice and document about the business. Invoice provide an organized record of an expenses with items, detail, and can help the keeping record the business. Without an invoice, there are no record that the set occurred and it will affect the record company. So invoice is important to keep for the business. Besides that, every business has a own account when business. They need to keep business money in one account to avoid it from personal use. The business can easy to manage the financial when they have a own account for business. They will easy to transaction to the supplier and look more professional when they have a own business account back. Next, they need to record the purchase of expenses all the time. They are also including the date, time, cost, quantity, and price. When do the purchase, they need to know how much the budget will use and buy the stock. Next is a recording daily sale to make sure the business have the correct transaction. The payment, sale, expenses, and all of users on the date should record for evidence statement. They can compare the use and sell they get for the record daily. Lastly, hire an accountant for the business. An accountant in a business operation will help manage the business finance. They will do report to analyze it and know how to manage strategy for the planned finance account. They will make decision together for maximize the profit. And then we'll solve the accounting problem and make sure the business is stable.
In conclusion, there are many advantages of accounting, such as making it easy to get loan or to sell your business in the future. It will help the company to know about the status of finance statement in their company. Secondly, the accounting also help the company to achieve their target, which their own budget of the year, and it will help the company grow out in the market. Last but not least, the accounting will help the company to monitor their profit to use not more than that they have. It will help the company to get more profit in a year. The company also will grow up with their own product and it will know to target their market by using the profit that they have to do the promotion in a year. That's all for us. Thank you.